how to install apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Simply you just open your Play Store. Okay, at first you need to sign in a Gmail account, then open your Play Store. This interface. When I'm open my Play Store, follow my top bar showing it to category. Just select any category, like I'm select game, showing it to all top game. Or if you want to find specific apps, like okay, just press on to install. Just press on to install. Now install this Instagram. Okay, once complete to 100%, then you can enjoy to use this. So that's it.